amount of times I see people on TikTok showing their hair after they have their extensions removed, and they're literally panicking because their ends are thin and scraggly. There's a few reasons why this happens. This should not be common. There's two different ways that damage can happen when you're wearing extensions: either poor installation or poor home care. Extensions have got this rap where it's fun and exciting as a stylist to offer extensions. However, not everyone should offer extensions. And here's what I mean. This is such a meticulous service that if it's not treated with the utmost respect and understanding how much damage you can really do if you're doing them improperly, and holding yourself accountable to that very high standard, because it's not easy, you're gonna cause some damage. Simple things like too much tension, too much weight. However, this is something that can be prevented. Going to a stylist who's super educated, who specializes in this specific field, yeah, your results are gonna be a lot different than if you went to your bestie over there who's been doing your color forever and you love her and she always kills it with your hair, but she just started doing extensions. They're gonna be two vastly different results. The biggest thing I see that they'll have their hair blended with a cut at the end of their extension installation, and the stylist didn't properly shake out the hair. So when they're going in and cutting, they're literally cutting your hair. They're literally cutting your hair. You don't want that. You don't want that. I promise you, you will hate your life when you take those extensions out. Lastly, at home care, it's super important. You oiling your extensions morning and night, and oiling your natural hair too. Like I always tell my girls, literally here down needs to be oiled. It's giving your hair the moisture it needs. The extensions, they're like a sponge. They're gonna suck up any oil around them. So if you're not also oiling your natural hair, the extensions are just gonna suck up the moisture that was in your hair, leaving your hair more fragile than when you started. And I swear I can tell when guests are not oiling because of this, and I see their hair start to get more fragile. But you need to work with a stylist who's gonna check in with you and be like, girl, are you oiling? Are you going, how's your home care? Are you struggling with anything? How can I help you? This is important. If you want to learn more about the extensions I do, head on over to my blog. I got you covered. Trust me, I have thought of every question you've had about extensions and already answered them for you. Got you.